Hey guys, welcome to Master Programming Tips and Traps MFC programming series. In this video, let's talk about how to create a child window and attach it to a parent window without using an app wizard. To speed things up, I have written the code already, so let's get started without any delay. To write an MFC program, we need to include the header file afxwin.h. To create a child window, I have derived my own class from cwin class. So I'm going to display a child window with yellow background and I'm going to display one simple text message inside the child window, which is I am a child. To display a simple text message inside a child window, I have overridden on paint event handler. As we all know, Windows will send wm underscore paint message whenever a window is created newly or whenever the window becomes invalid. And the appropriate message map entry in MFC is on underscore wm underscore paint, and on paint is the event handler method. Inside on paint, I am creating an instance of cpaint dc class, and I am calling out text out method to display a simple text message at the appropriate position. So here 50 comma 50 is an x and y coordinates, and this is the text message. And on paint method is meant for foreground painting in MFC. To create a parent window, I have derived my own class from cFrameIn class. Inside cFrameIn class, I have created an instance of the child window class, and I have created one boolean variable to check whether the child window is already opened or not. I am going to create a parent window with red background and child window with yellow background. And my child window will be visible I click on an whenever I click on a menu item. So to create a parent window with a red background, I have created a red brush by calling the member function create solid brush. And I am creating my own window class and registering it by calling AFX registered window class, and I am specifying the properties of my parent window class. So these are the styles of my parent window class. So here H redraw and CS redraw is for vertical and horizontal scroll bars, and DBL clicks is for double clicking inside the parent window, and loading this standard cursor for my parent window, and creating the red brush, and loading the standard icon for my parent window. So once I created the window class with appropriate properties, I am creating it by calling the create member function. So this is the window class name which I have registered by calling AFX registered window class, and this is the window title, and this is the style of the parent window and the size of the parent window. So I am creating a parent window with default size. To create a parent window with default size, I am just calling this constant rect default, and I am attaching a menu to a parent window. This is my menu ID. So on click on that menu, it should display a child window. And the appropriate event handler for my menu item is on create child. So whenever I click on the menu item, this method will be triggered. So inside on create child, I am checking whether the child window is already opened or not. If the child window is already opened, I am just returning it, and I need to create a child window with specific size. So I am populating the rect structure for the child window for specific size. So this is the size of the child window, and I need to create a child window with yellow background. So here I am creating a yellow brush for my child window by calling create solid brush, and I'm creating my own window class and registering with AFX register win class. So these are the properties of my child window. So loading the standard cursor for the child window, yellow brush, and loading the standard icon. So once my window class is registered, I'm calling the child window by calling the member function create on child instance. So which we have created here. Then displaying the child window by calling show window member function, and setting the boolean variable to true. And I'm and So this is the menu ID and this is the event handler. So whenever I click on that menu, this method will be called on create child. And I'm creating my application class by deriving my own class from CWinApp. Inside my application class, I'm overriding init instance. Inside init instance, I'm creating my parent window and displaying it. So this is the global instance of my application class. So let's build the solution and let's run the program. So here I have created my parent window with red background. So and I have attached one menu. So whenever I click on the menu item, it will display one child window, and a simple text message is displayed inside the child window. I am a child. So if I click on the menu item again when the window is visible, it won't do nothing. So I'm closing the child window and displaying it again. So that's all, guys. If you have any doubts, please write your questions in the comment section, and I am more happy to answer to your questions. Thank you.